So guys, if you're trying to use the new Instagram filter or the Lofi Dusk effect, but Instagram keeps showing something went wrong, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several easy methods to fix this problem on both Android and iPhone. Make sure to watch the video until the end because the last method solves the issue for most users. Click on Storage. Now clear cache, but not data. Enable all the permission. Now go to Play Store and update Instagram to the latest version. Open Instagram to check it works or not. See your problem solved successfully. So that's how you can fix Instagram new filter "something went wrong" problem.